All right, folks, right here we are looking at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Islander in bright white. Jeep comes out with these editions. It's fun, it's adventurous. You can also take it to a board meeting. It comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, 17-inch upgraded aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop that you can take on and off for T-tops or all the way, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, a remote start system, 34,000 miles on the odometer, an upgraded 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera for safety. It comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Command Track 4 part-time 4-wheel drive system, has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For more details, please visit us at marinocjd.com, search stock number 30039B.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.